Check it out. This is a story of my life. I'm the pipe and very nice. Have a toe, taking flight, step into a fight, taking knives, man, this shit ain't right. Gotta step it up, take a shot, share these rhymes that'll roll up. Getting off the block, now the game don't need me. Couldn't even feed me, so now you're gonna see me on your screen, spitting mean, getting clean. Gotta load in the washing machine. Yeah, I'm hunting green. Yeah, all the green cash. I'll probably end up taking your stash in the alley for a slash. Where's the party at? Crash that. Now I got a big Mac in hand, chasing gray. Just wanna be in the grandstand, rapping back all the shit that I can't talk about. Haters gonna hate without a doubt, but I'll still be here, spitting my rhythm and flow out, just having a go. Yeah, I'm chasing my dream. I need the dough on the go. Take your motherfucking left toe, man. You haters ought to know you can blow. You got rhymes, then show me. Cunts don't even know me. That's why I'm saying blow me. Come see these cunts, can't step to me. Now I'm free, not serving fiends, just chasing dreams, making these lyrics up while I'm off my fucking guts. You say you're nuts, say you're street fucking tough. You're about as good as a hairy muff. So come step to me, give me guff on the street. You will see the pain and torture that resides in me. I took an apple from the tree, now there's an evil lives inside of me. Kick your ass for free if you wanna be testing me. I don't know, give it a go.